Hello, guys. Welcome to another series on everything itself. Now, in this episode, we're going to be looking at how to circle out invalid data in a data set. Without taking much of your time, let's get right into the video. Now, for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using a budget sheet. We're going to be comparing the actual amounts and the budgeted amounts, and then proceed to circle out the amounts that does not correspond with the budgeted amounts, or an amount that exceeds the budgeted amount. Let's get right into it. The first thing we need to do is to come to your data, then click on data to click on data validation. When you come here, you click on constant, imputes the formula, which is equals to the actual amount, which is C2, should be lesser than the budgeted amount, which is BK. You may click OK. Then you come back here. Highlight on it. You come back to your data to then circle invalid data. As you can see, it has circled out the amount that does not rhyme with our budgeted amount. Now we have come to the end of this video. I hope it was insightful. And yes, we are going to be having a free class on everything you need to know about Microsoft Office, from Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Teams, and Microsoft Outlook. To ensure that you're part of this, kindly click the link below to sign up for the class. And don't forget to catch us on our next episode next time. Bye.